Hello, welcome to India Sisters Kitchen. This is Lata and
Ammu.
Ammu. Shall we make healthy and tasty carrot ghee today?
Okay. This is an all-season drink. We can drink it hot or cold. Let's see how to make it.
Before that, subscribe to India Sisters Kitchen channel. Click the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever we post a video. Let's see how to make it.
First, let's add 4 tablespoons of ghee to a pan. Then add 400 grams of grated carrot, 6 cashew nuts and saute it. Cashew nuts are added to make it creamy and also to give taste. Carrot sauteed well. Shifted it to a plate to cool it. While the carrot is cooling, let's add 1 liter milk to the pan and boil it.
Continue to stir the milk so that it doesn't stick to the pan.
While the milk is boiling, let's grind the carrot in a mixie with some milk. Milk is boiled. Add 200 grams of sugar to the milk and mix it well until the sugar melts.
Ammu, sugar has melted.
At this stage, let's add the carrot that is ground smoothly. Mix it well for 2 minutes. Milk and carrot has boiled well. At this stage, add 1 teaspoon of cardamon powder, 1 pinch of salt and mix it. Also add shredded almonds, cashew nuts and pistachio. Mix it well. That's it. Carrot ghee is ready. Make this carrot ghee for your family.
If you like this video, like, share and comment. We will meet you with another recipe. Thanks for watching our video.